Hello students, how are you? Okay, let's start the chapter oscillations. First of all, you should know the periodic motion. What is periodic motion? A motion which repeats itself over and over again after the regular interval of time is called the periodic motion. Oscillatory motion. What is oscillatory motion? A motion in which a body moves back and forth repeatedly about a fixed position is called the oscillatory motion or vibratory motion. Periodic function. What is periodic function? Any function that repeats its value at regular intervals of its argument is called the periodic function. Ft equal to sine 2 pi t upon t. This is the periodic function. The periodic function which can be represented by a sine or cosine curve is called the harmonic function. The periodic functions which cannot be represented by single sine or cosine functions are called non-harmonic functions. Now the Fourier theorem. What is Fourier theorem? Two infinite sets of periodic functions with period t are fnt equal to sine 2 pi nt upon t where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dash 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 and gnt equal to cos 2n pi t upon t where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash dash. Fourier theorem states that any periodic function ft with period t can be expressed as the unique combination of sine and cosine functions, and it will be written as ft equal to b0 plus sigma n bn cos n omega t plus sigma n an sin n omega t, where omega equal to 2 pi upon t. The coefficients b0, b1, b2, b3 dash 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 and a1, a2, a3 dash 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 are called the Fourier coefficients. The special case of Fourier theorem in which only a1 and a2, in which a1 and b1 are non-zero, represents simple harmonic motion SHM, and ft equal to a1 sine 2 and 2 pi t upon t plus b1 cos 2 pi t upon t. Now the simple harmonic motion. What is simple harmonic motion? A particle is said to execute simple harmonic motion if it moves to and fro about a mean position under the action of a restoring force which is directly proportional to its displacement from the mean position and is always directly proportional to the mean position. I am repeating once again the statement. A particle is said to execute simple harmonic motion if it moves to and fro about a mean position under the action of a restoring force which is directly proportional to its displacement from the mean position and is always directed towards the mean position. If the displacement of the oscillating particle from the mean position is small, then restoring force is directly proportional to displacement, or it can be written as F equal to minus kx, where k is a positive constant and it is called the force constant or spring constant and is defined as the restoring force produced per unit displacement. The negative sign shows the restoring force always acts in opposite direction. The above equation defines the simple harmonic motion. Oscillation or cycle. What is oscillation or cycle? One complete back and forth motion of a particle is called cycle or vibration or oscillation. Displacement. It is the distance of the oscillating particle from the mean position at any instant. It is denoted by x. Amplitude A. The maximum displacement Amplitude A. The maximum displacement of the oscillating particle on either side of its mean position is called its amplitude. Time period. It is the time taken by a particle to complete one oscillation about its mean position. It is denoted by capital T. Frequency. What is frequency? It is the number of oscillations completed per second by a particle about its mean position. It is denoted by nu. and it is equal to the reciprocal of the time period, nu equal to 1 upon t. Frequency is measured in hertz. 1 hertz equal to 1 vibration per second. Angular frequency. What is angular frequency? It is the quantity obtained by multiplying the frequency by a factor of 2 pi. It is denoted by omega. Thus, omega equal to 2 pi upon capital T or 2 pi nu. Phase. What is phase? The phase of vibrating particle at any instant gives the state of particle as regards its position and the direction of the motion at that instant. It is denoted by phi. Initial phase or epoch. The phase of a vibrating particle corresponding to time t equal to 0 is called the initial phase or epoch. It is denoted by phi 0. Now the phase difference. What is phase difference? The phase difference between the two vibrating particles tells the lack of harmony in the vibrating states of the two particles at any instant. Simple harmonic motion is the projection of uniform circular motion upon a diameter of a circle. This circle is called the reference circle, and the particle which revolves along it is called reference particle or generating particle. Displacement in simple harmonic motion. Now, the displacement in simple harmonic motion. In a simple harmonic motion, the displacement of a particle from its equilibrium position at any instant t is given by xt equal to a cos omega t plus phi 0. Here a is the amplitude of the displacement and the quantity omega t plus phi 0 is the phase of the motion and phi 0 is the initial phase. When the time is measured from the mean position, xt equal to a sin omega t. When the time is measured from the extreme position, then xt equal to a cos omega t. Angular frequency omega, frequency nu, and time period t of the motion is given by nu omega equal to a upon omega equal to under root a upon x, nu equal to 1 upon t, t equal to 2 pi displacement upon acceleration, or it can be written as t equal to 2 pi under root m upon k. Now the velocity in simple harmonic motion. It is the rate of change of displacement of the particle at any instant, and it is given by v equal to dx upon dt, and it can be written as minus omega a sine omega t plus phi 0, or it can be written as minus omega under root a square minus x square. The maximum value of the velocity is called the velocity amplitude Vm, and thus Vm equal to omega I, and this will be equal to 2 pi upon t into a. At the mean position, the particle velocity Vm equal to omega I, and at the extreme position, the particle velocity is equal to 0. Acceleration in simple harmonic motion. It is the rate of change of velocity of the particle at any instant, and it is given by a equal to dv upon dt, and this will be equal to d upon dt minus omega sine omega t plus phi, or it can be written as minus omega square a cos omega t plus phi, and this can be written as minus omega square x. Here alpha is directly proportional to x. The maximum value of acceleration of a particle is called the acceleration amplitude am, and am will be equal to omega square e. At the mean position, particle acceleration is 0, and at the extreme position, the particle acceleration is omega square e. Phase relation between displacement, velocity, and acceleration. In simple harmonic motion, the particle velocity is ahead of displacement pi by 2 radian, and acceleration is ahead of displacement by pi radian. Now, energy of simple harmonic motion. If a particle of mass m executes simple harmonic motion, then at a displacement x from mean position, the particle possesses potential and kinetic energy. At any displacement x, potential energy U equal to half m omega square x square, and this will be half kx square, and kinetic energy k equal to half m omega square a square minus x square, and it will be equal to 1 upon 2k under the bracket a square minus x square. Thus the total energy u plus k, and after adding the two relations 2 pi square m theta square a square. If there is no friction, the total mechanical energy E equal to u plus k, and this will be always constant. Motion of a massless loaded spring. When a mass m is attached to a massless spring and pulled downwards, it executes simple harmonic motion. If L is the extension in the spring on attaching the mass m and k is its force constant, then the time period of simple harmonic motion executed by the spring t equal to 2 pi under root L upon g, or it can be written as t equal to 2 pi under root m upon k. Spring cut into parts. If we divide the spring cut into parts. If we divide the spring of a spring constant k into n equal parts, the spring constant of each part becomes nk. Hence, the time period when the same mass m is suspended from each part t equal to 2 pi under root m upon n into k. Springs connected in series. If two springs of spring constant K1 and K2 are connected in series, then the spring constant K of the combination is given by 1 upon K equal to 1 upon K1 plus 1 upon K2. Then T equal to 2 pi under root m K1 plus K2 upon K1 into K2. Springs connected in parallel. If springs are connected in parallel, if two springs of spring constants K1 and K2 are connected in parallel, then the spring constant K of the combination is K equal to K1 plus K2. Then time period T equal to 2 pi under root m upon K1 plus K2. Simple pendulum. What is simple pendulum? A simple pendulum is a heavy point mass suspended by a weightless, inextensible, and a perfectly flexible string from a rigid support about which it can vibrate freely. The distance between the point of suspension and the point of oscillation is called the length of the pendulum L. When the metallic bob is displaced from mean position, it executes simple harmonic motion, and the time period t will be equal to 2 pi under root L upon g. Seconds pendulum. What is seconds pendulum? A seconds pendulum is a pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds. Its length is 99.3 centimeter. Motion of a liquid in a U-tube. When a liquid of density rho and contained in a U-tube up to height h is depressed, it executes simple harmonic motion, and its time period t equal to 2 pi under root h upon g. Motion of a body dropped in a tunnel dug along the diameter of the earth. Motion of a body dropped in a tunnel dug along the diameter of the earth. When a body is dropped in a tunnel dug along the diameter of the earth, it executes simple harmonic motion. If r is the radius of the earth, then its time period t will be t equal to 2 pi under root r upon g. Motion of a body floating in a liquid. When a body made of material of density rho and total vertical length L floats in a liquid of density rho, such that its length h is submerged in the liquid, it executes simple harmonic motion on being pushed into the liquid, and time period t will be equal to 2 pi under root rho L upon sigma g. Free oscillation. What is free oscillation? If a body capable of oscillations is slightly displaced from its position of equilibrium, if a body capable of oscillations is slightly displaced from its position of equilibrium and then released, it starts oscillating with a frequency of its own. Such oscillations are called free oscillations. The frequency with which a body oscillates is called the natural frequency, and it is given by nu equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root k upon m. Here a body continues to oscillate with constant amplitude and fixed frequency. Damped oscillations. What are damped oscillations? The oscillations in which the amplitude decreases gradually with the passage of time are called damped oscillations. The oscillations in which the amplitude decreases gradually with the passage of time are called the damped oscillation. The energy of a real oscillator decreases because a part of its mechanical energy is used in doing work against the frictional force and is lost as heat. If the damping force is given by Fd equal to minus Bv, where V is the velocity of the oscillator and B is the damping constant, then the displacement of the oscillator is xt equal to A e to power minus bt upon 2m cos omega t plus phi. Forced oscillation. What is forced oscillation? When a body oscillates under the influence of an external periodic force. When a body oscillates under the influence of an external periodic force, not with its own natural frequency, but the frequency of the external periodic force, its oscillations are said to be forced oscillations. I am repeating once again the statement. When a body oscillates under the influence of an external periodic force, not with its own natural frequency, but the frequency of the external periodic force, its oscillations are said to be forced oscillations. I hope all of you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.